Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to our channel, and we are once again going to unbox a package from Shopee, and we're going to use our new Swiss knife. Let's go! Okay, so we are here once again looking at another quick unboxing at that, of a package we got from Shopee. So Shopee, as I mentioned in previous videos, is an online platform to buy and sell products, not buy and sell products. Yeah, that makes sense. And for this one, we're looking at our Suki, or our Patreon online shop. So we got a few more items from his shop, and let's see what we have. Okay, it's a box within a box. And let's see. Okay, so it's packaged great, and we have a couple of freebies: ant swarm and giant ant. Okay, always nice to get freebies, although we don't need them in particular. And you can see here, this is our main reason for purchasing this card. This is a car, and we also have a free map. The free map is, this might be a golden age map, 2012. I'll probably give this to someone else, one of the newbies. And let's see what we have. Always a good day when it's Heroclix opening time. Okay, so a bunch of oldies but goodies. Let's make sure that the figure is here. For Scar, Brute, Savage Land Warrior. So we want him because of the Savage Land keyword. Okay, quality as always is impeccable. Okay, then we have Harpoon from Monsters and Mutations, a couple of Snowbird, the Experienced and Veteran. Okay, take a look at that condition, just like new. We have Puck, Rookie, Vertigo, Rookie, Sabertooth from the Ultimates, Magic with a C, Experience, Unexperienced Morlock here, and our Veteran Storm from the Ultimates. So we should have 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we have 11 pieces plus the previous that we got. So good. Everything is in order. And I hope you like this quick video. Until the next one. Bye-bye.